Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys who are running Hewlett-Packard or HP computers how to resolve an issue where your mouse cursor is circling around the mouse pointer and it is not going away. So again, this tutorial just applies for HP users, but I think it still affects a large enough subset of the population that I would make a brief tutorial highlighting it. And it just doesn't seem to go away and it's really becoming bothersome. This tutorial will be for you. Now this is not going to be guaranteed to work for everybody in every situation because this is kind of a generic problem, but I thought I'd do a brief video just showing you guys a quick troubleshooting method that might work for you. So we're going to jump right into it and start by heading over to the start menu, and you want to left click to open it up. Now you want to type in msconfig. Should say System Configuration on Windows 10 devices, right above Desktop App. You want to right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. Now you want to go underneath the Services tab, and now you want to look for something that says True Suite Service. Now keep in mind I do not have it on this virtual environment. This again applies to Windows computers running on Hewlett-Packard or HP devices, but I thought I'd make a brief video just showing you guys how to do it. So anyway, once you found that service, again this is for HP users only, what we would do is uncheck the box next to it and then click on Apply and OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer to save the changes. I'd recommend you restart your computer and your problem should be resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.